Welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Jane. Today we're going to take a look at revolved side angle, Parivrtta Parsvakonasana. Today's pose features revolved side angle, Parivrtta Parsvakonasana. It is a deep twist that challenges your balance and strengthens your legs as well as your core. It tones and stretches and strengthens the entire lower body, including the ankles, calves, groins, and quadriceps. It brings suppleness to the spine and opens the chest and shoulders. We'll start in downward facing. So study your hands and feet. Your hands and feet matter. Eventually setting your vision to one point and just allow the breath to stabilize. I'm going to ask her to spin her inner upper arms, her biceps forward, so that there's spaciousness across the upper back and neck. Okay, so from here, please step your left foot forward. Good. Spin your back foot flat like warrior one. Take your time and rise up to warrior one. Good, so she's got the outer edge of her back foot super firm and flat. This is wonderful. And there's an inner arch lifting, so it's almost like the back arch is puckering off the ground. She's spinning her inner left thigh back and rolling the outer edge of the right hip forward. And against that, she's tractioning the left hip back. So even though her hips won't square, she's still moving in that direction. Her rib cage can square, so she will. Bend the front knee. It's important for this shape we're heading to that the heels are in one plane, or else it's quite difficult. Take a full breath in. As you exhale, pull your hands into heart center. Inhale, once again, lengthen the upper body. As you exhale, twist. Spin your right elbow past the outer edge of your left thigh and hook. Right? If the hook becomes difficult, you can actually just use your left hand. Sometimes I'll just slide my knee into midline to get the hook past the thigh. Good. Push into the outer edge of the back foot. She's doing a great job. Bend into the front knee. You can certainly stay here, or you could open up the arms. It's up to you. If the right hand touches the earth, see if you can really root down into the hand to get the lift out of the chest. Good. Outer edge of the back foot firm. Back quadricep very engaged, skin to muscle, muscle to bone. She's teasing her left hip back and in, rolling her right hip forward and down, and on exhale, she's rotating around the center line. Take one more final breath in, exhale, rotate, and then gently release. Good. Take your time, make your way all the way up to standing. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Namaste. Would you like to dive deeper into today's sequence? Click the link in the description to help get tips on how to deepen your practice.